Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Ahsan. In today's video, we are going to learn our past continuous tense. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I think we should go to our screen and see that what exactly past continuous tense mean. So, let's go to my screen. Okay, so according to the definition says that past continuous tense is a tense that tells about an action which was happening at a particular time in the past. So whenever you talk about any action that was happening that was continued in the past at a particular time in the past, that is past continuous. Okay, so for example, I can explain that. I can explain that here with the help of my Epic Pen. Just a moment, please. Okay, so let's try to explain that here. Okay, so now we will try to explain it here. And so, for example, this is my timeline. Okay, this is present. Okay, this is present. This is future. And this one is past. Okay, so now when something was continued means it is started in the past, okay, and then it continued for a time. Okay, it continued for a time, so there we will use past continuous tense. For example, it is started yesterday. It is started yesterday at 8 o'clock. Okay, it started at 8 o'clock and then it continued for maybe just 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I can use their past continuous tense. Okay, I can make a sentence like, I was learning English, I was practicing my speaking abilities, I was practicing some sentences like that. Okay, so that will be past continuous tense. Now let's come to our formula and let's see that how we can make these sentences. So let's go to our formula. Okay, so the next thing we've got is formula. So in our formula, the formula is very easy peasy. We have to write subject and plus was or were plus verb ing form. Okay, the ing form of the verb, like doing, learning, speaking, and plus object plus etc, right? So for example, let's try to make some sentences now with the help of our formula. So the sentences are, I was learning English yesterday. She was reading a storybook, right? And they were going to the market. Okay, and he was jumping on the bed. Okay, he was jumping on the bed. So these sort of sentences are the part of past continuous. Now I can tell you that where to use was and where to use were, right? So whenever you have you, sorry, I, he, she, it, and any singular noun means only one person's name. It could be James, Franklin, Rob. So whenever you use only one person's name, there you will have to use was. Okay, there you will use was. And whenever you use the like you, we, they, or any plural noun, okay, and any plural noun, there you will use were. Okay, so let's try to make some sentences. I was jumping. Okay, she was jumping. He was jumping. And James was jumping. Okay, and then were. They were jumping. And then we were jumping. And then you were jumping. And then the plural noun. Um, James and Rob were jumping, right? So this is the structure of past continuous, that how to make sentences. And now let's try to make some negative and interrogative sentences. So the negative sentences are very easy peasy. You just have to add not after was or were. For example, I was not jumping. She was not jumping. So you just have to add not after was or were. They were not jumping, right? So that's how you make the negative sentences. And now let's go to our interrogative sentences, or the question sentences. So the question sentences or the interrogative sentences will be, were they jumping? So you just put was or were at the beginning of the sentence, and that makes the past continuous. Was she jumping? Was he jumping? And were you jumping? Right? So you just put was or were at the beginning of the sentence, and then the sentence goes the same, and then there should be a question mark at the end of the sentence. That means that makes the interrogative or the question sentences. So guys, that was our video for today. I hope you liked it. If you have any further question related to this video, you can ask me in the comments below. So that's all for today. Take care. See you. Bye bye.